Dozens of professional mathematicians spent weeks evaluating hundreds of solution papers submitted in this year's Moody's Mega Math Challenge. At the competition finals in New York, the judges shared their thoughts on the process, the presentations, and what it takes to make it to the final six.
I think creativity is real important for getting the attention of the judges. At the end, you make it sort of to that final round a little bit better because of creativity. At the end, we're really nitpicky about the technical aspects. So it's a blend, but certainly if a paper's not well written, we're not even going to find the good technical aspects. We're just not. So it has to be well written. Creativity gets your attention. And a good model, I mean, if you just do sort of the same kind of model that everybody's doing, that also doesn't spark attention either. So mathematical creativity, where, I really thought about this problem and I thought about other approaches, really can make you rise to the top also.
It's the most vigorous exam probably that there is in terms of the steps that one has to go through. If we go through a triage, each paper is read 3 to 4 times. Then it goes to Philadelphia, and we have a team of 12 judges read the papers. And finally, there's this validation.
We come in with an initial ranking from the previous judging, so we try to honor that. What we usually come to the final judging with is, well, there was a question we had that all the contention round judges had when we read this. So we're going to ask that question. We're going to see how they answer it. And that makes a big difference. So we really try to start with our initial ranking and say, okay, given the questions we had coming in, do we want to switch some of this a little bit because of the answers that they gave here? But we're not trying to start from scratch and say we have 6 papers here, let's decide what the best one is based on the presentation alone, because that's not it. It was a competition to write this paper, and the paper really still does have to be the main thing.
I worked in industry for 30 years, and these would certainly be among the better presentations that I've seen. They have a command and a comfort level in delivering information and talking with an audience which they don't know at all, that is far beyond their years. They've done a remarkable job, and it's a pleasure to be associated with this kind of contest.